Welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Escalating conflict in West Asia, risks of wider war, rising tensions in West Asia following a deadly rocket attack in Golan Heights, escalating Israel-Hezbollah conflict and regional instability. Escalating conflict in West Asia, Maidal Shams attack and Hezbollah involvement. Rocket attack in Maidal Shams, Golan Heights, killed 12 young people. Israel and the US blame Hezbollah. Hezbollah initially claimed then denied involvement. Israel is preparing a response despite Hezbollah's denial. Escalation since October 7, 2023. Hamas's cross-border attack in Israel killed about 1,200 people. Ongoing conflict on Israel's northern border with Hezbollah since then. Hezbollah's rocket attacks southern Lebanon target Israeli military outposts. West Asia, westernmost sub-region of Asia, part of the Greater Middle East. Includes regions like Anatolia, Arabian Peninsula, Iran, Mesopotamia, Levant, Cyprus, Sinai Peninsula, and part of Transcaucasia, separated from Africa by the Isthmus of Suez and from Europe by the Turkish Straits and Caucasus watershed, bordered by Central Asia to the northeast and South Asia to the east. Surrounded by 8 seas: Aegean, Black, Caspian, Persian Gulf, Arabian, Gulf of Aden, Red, and Mediterranean. Golan Heights, a rocky plateau in southwestern Syria, about 60 kilometers south of Damascus, bounded by the Jordan River, Sea of Galilee, Mount Hermon, Wadi al-Ruqqad River, and Yarmouk River. Measures 44 miles, 71 kilometers north-south and 27 miles, 43 kilometers east-west, covering an area of 150 square kilometers. Seized by Israel in the 1967 Six-Day War, Syrian Arab inhabitants fled and Israel began settlements. Syria's attempt to retake Golan in 1973 failed. Israel annexed it in 1981. About 20,000 Syrians and 20,000 Israelis live there. Strategically important as Damascus is visible from the Golan Hills and rainwater from the area contributes to Israel's water supply via the Jordan River. The land is also fertile and suitable for farming. Hezbollah, a Shiite militant group in Lebanon, known as the Party of God, considered the world's most heavily armed non-state actor with a diverse range of missiles. Founded during the Lebanese Civil War, 1975 to 1990, and inspired and supported by Iran, opposes Israel and Western influence, supports the Syrian government, and is active in Lebanese politics with parliamentary seats. Thank you. Stay tuned with us, universalinstitutions.com.